Actually, nakakatawa yung pagkakakilala namin ni Ma'am Cindy eh. Ni Cindy, that was 2021.
Just Christian dating, so doon kami nag-start talaga. So walang official limit talaga, so it all started there.
Nag-start kami mag-message, sumagot siya. Then, the rest is history.
Siya yung greatest gift ni God sa akin.
And it was answered prayer, tapos ang dami naming common things na ginagawa.
This is our anniversary today. So, siya yung pumili ng araw na to na gusto niya yung wedding anniversary namin is March 22, which is our anniversary.
I was praying na mas bata yung maging girlfriend ko. So, nakuha lahat yun kay Cindy. So, I think sabi ko, ito na. Babe, thank you sa lahat. Alam mo, nung nakilala kita, ang dami mong ginawang encouragement sa akin, and from the time na nakilala kita up until now, talagang hindi ka nagsasawang sumuport and understand, especially sa trabaho ko. Nasa malayo tayo sa isa't isa, kaya nga nasasabi ko LDR works, but it's through God orchestration, medyo nakakaraos tayo. And thank you so much for coming into my life. And I love you so much, babe.
This now, bone of my bones, and flesh of my flesh. He shall be called woman, for she was taken out of man. That is why a man leaves his father and mother, and is united to his wife, and they will become one flesh.
Nakita ko yung pagmamahal niya kay Lord, kay God. So, since galing kami sa Christian dating, so yun agad yung nakita ko sa kanya. So, nag-start siya na alam kong siya na ibinigay sa akin ni Lord eh.
This very moment, right here and now, begins the journey of my dreams. On to forever, hand in hand with the one who matters most to me.
Babe, you know naman, I love you so much, and nandito ako kasi God orchestrated this whole thing, and I know na magiging mabuting husband ka sa akin, na no matter what happens, nandiyan ka para sa akin, na at ako din, nandito lang ako para sa'yo, and never magte-change yun because we love God, and then I know na He will guide and protect this relationship no matter what happens.
To share all I am with, body, heart, and soul.
Ang salitang suitable is to be a partner, to complement each other. Ryan and Cindy, magsasama kayo. Bagamat may kanya-kanya kayong galing, pero yung galing nyo, pagsamahin nyo, not to compete to each other, but to complement each other. It is not good for the man to be alone, and I will make a helper suitable for him. Everybody say that. I love that word, suitable. Ikaw, Ryan, tinatanggap mo ba ang babaeng ito na si Cindy na maging tunay mong asawa sa buong pag-ibig at karangalan, sa buong tungkulin at paglilingkod, at sa buong pananampalataya at pag-ibig upang mabuhay ka na kasama niya at mahalin siya alinsunod sa utos ng banal na matrimonyo? Yes, Pastor.
And I have tomorrow to look forward to.
Sabi ko na natin.
Pera ko pa din.
And to hold.
Ikaw, Cindy, tinatanggap mo ba ang lalaking ito na si Ryan na maging tunay mong asawa sa buong pag-ibig at karangalan, sa buong tungkulin at paglilingkod, at sa buong pananampalataya at pag-ibig upang mabuhay na kasama siya at mahalin siya alinsunod sa utos at banal na matrimonyo?
Yes, po, Pastor.
You are
You are mine,
I am
yours to have and to
I have tomorrow to look forward to.
For God has given me you.
He's given me you
To have and
to have and to hold, to cherish and honor, to love and call my very own, to share all I am with, body, heart, and soul. You are mine, and I am yours.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Miss Ryan Balcarce.
to have and to hold.
Yeah!